Igen, ott a nemség.
Erre emlékszem, amikor jöttünk. Ez az, amilyen idék volt.
De jó pofa. Nagy egész.
Nézd, még ott egy grab.
De jó.
Vagy csótány az.
Inkább csótány.
Cockroach.
De jó, nagyon.
Ezek meg már Ajjajjajjajjaj.
Jó.
Next season. Nick Kyrgios has made the perfect start to Australia's Davis Cup tie with Slovakia. He's taken the 2-set-to-love lead. Adelaide United would seal the signing.
Thanks, Kilco. Yes, it was a wonderful day. We had a cuppa, shared some stories, and got a real insight into life with ACH Group. Today I'm chatting with Fred and Yvonne, who live at ACH Group's Kapara Residential Care Home. Yvonne, tell me how long have you...
My name is Peter. We found a beautiful home in Moonta. He has worked for so many years with Caravan Steel. He and so many things.
Látom, ez az útállat, hanem csak Kati. Júj. Jajjaj. Meghalt. Jajjaj. Meghalt. 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 Meghalt.
Story's been said is basically, which is annoying. The other one is at the end of the day.
At the end of the day?
Yes.
I suppose
A lot of people say that. A lot of
Did you know that rollers can remove your old furniture? They know that one of the biggest hassles when buying new furniture is having to get rid of the old stuff, especially those heavy and bulky items like lounges and mattresses. So Rollers' expert delivery team can remove any unwanted furniture when they deliver your